We good here? Are we good here? We're good. In today's video, we're going to be doing a special silver unboxing coming up next. Oh boy. So hey there everybody, Derek with the Hydro Economist, where we like to grow our prosperity, wealth, and freedom. And on today's episode, we're doing a special silver unboxing. Though I don't know how many people will consider it super special. I think it's special. It's that time of year where I do my big buy of a particular coin that I like. And I think if you've been watching me long enough, you know that I really like this coin. But we don't just have one, right? We don't just have two. Oh, we got 3 packages. Let's see if we can get So yeah, we got 3 packages to go through today. Let's get started. Okay, let's move some things. Do some movie magic. Magic. Man, I should have cleaned my desk out before I did this. And then we'll do a little bit of one of these. Dirty, dirty, dirty desk. And then as you can see right here, these are the silver $50 that we found in the live stream the other day. Yeah. Yeah, I'll start with this one. So I got these from 3 different suppliers, 2 of which I normally go through on eBay, and then one of which man, this knife is not very sharp. Yeah, this one's gonna take a bit because they get a little goofy on this packaging tape. But this one I got through, I believe this one is going to be from Bullion Exchanges. And this is only the second time I've actually gone through them. The first time was actually, they had a sweet deal. And I think they're actually still running this deal right now where you can get a 10-ounce bar of their bar for like pretty much at spot. So that was pretty cool. And so I bought it, and then I don't know, I decided to check out you know, what kind of deals I had for what I was looking for in particular. And well, sure enough, I ended up liking what they had. There's hopefully nothing else in there. Okay. Let's take that out of there. So here we have the 2018 silver Kookaburras. And as you may know, these are by far my favorite coin to collect. And in fact, it is the only complete 1-ounce collection that I have, and you can actually see that in one of my previous videos where I show off my complete Kookaburra collection. And last year I only got like 10 of the extra coins. This year, actually I think I only got 10 total. This year I decided to get a whole roll of 20 of them, just to keep them in this nice little, just to keep them the way they are in this nice little cylindrical, you know, tube thing that they created out of cellophane. But and then I could take this one, I got the extra one so that I can put it in my binder. And over at Silver Gold Bull, at the time of this purchase, oh, it doesn't really say, does it? I guess it doesn't really matter because by the time you watch this, price has changed a little bit anyways, so. But yeah, if you want to check out Gold Silver Bull, this is only second time I've been through them. I actually didn't pay with Bitcoin, though I could have, but that was like the reason why I went, but I wanted to keep my Bitcoin too, so I ended up using PayPal, which is fine with me. I have my own little PayPal method, so yeah. And then we'll use the good camera to do some good zoom ins. So there was the first package. Pretty happy with those. How can you not be? All right. I suspect I know what this one is. Oh, wow. That glue is real. Oh, wow. They even glue it. I forget who this one came from. That was an interesting way of packaging, I will say that. Oh, I have a message. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to... I believe this is AP Max. I got this piece from. Let's see if it'll show a price. This one I picked up for $214.48. I believe I picked up all of these for just a little over $460. All right. And there you have it. The 10-ounce 2018 Kookaburra. Oh, yeah. Did you like that? That ching, 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 ching. I love the Kookaburras, and I'm sure I've stated before, I'm cuckoo for Kookaburras. And then, yeah, you could just see how thick that is compared to the 1 ounce. I don't have complete 10-ounce Kookaburra set. When I started, I didn't get into the Kookaburras until about 2013, I think, somewhere around in there. And, well, the older those 10-ouncers and those kilos get, the more expensive they become. So I haven't really sought after the bigger denominations, but I did decide going forward every year I was going to try and complete the 1 ounce, the 10 ounce. And well, you might have already guessed of what this one is going to consist of. Oh God. I do not play around with this packaging. I just feel like going at this like a savage. And then this one I paid about $642.09, and I got this through bullion exchanges on Sleazebay. I call it Sleazebay. That's just what we used to call it back in the day. Oh, okay, that's neat. Little there's a free bump for you. Let's get back to getting the rest of this open. Oh yeah. Freaking package inception going on here. I really need to get a better knife on the for realsies, yo. Oh my God. I forget they get kind of stupid with this at bullion. But I mean, I'd rather have them go a little overboard on the packaging than not going hard enough, you know. And there she is. Ooh, yeah. And there you have it. The 2018 Australian Kookaburra Kilo. As you can see here, this is a bad mamma jamma. It was something. It was one of the Australian. I think it was like the koalas I saw first, and I was like, "What? They make these in these big a size?" I normally don't like getting any bigger than like 10 ounces typically, but these I will absolutely make an exception for, just because I just want to keep on adding to the kookaburras. I like them enough to complete the 1 ounce set. And I like them enough to get the bigger denominations of them. So let's show you with the good camera. We'll bring out the good camera. See if we can. I don't know, how do I change the exposure? That's the question. Hopefully this will provide enough detail. It might actually be better this way. Excuse the smudge marks on the plastic. I just love the detail in these coins, and I like that they got the moon behind it. I really like that moon with the deep impact cratering. The Kookaburra of the night. Kookaburra is the night. As you can see there, 2018, 1 kilo, 4 nines, fine silver. And you can just see that edging. And then we show you the reverse. Queen Elizabeth II, as you will see, and pretty much all the Australian pieces and the Canadian pieces, a couple other pieces. $30 face value, but we all know this is no $30 piece, even with silver being as low as it has been over the past few years. Just look at you. Look at you. You're beautiful. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. So there you have it. There's the 1 ounce on the edge. It's the 10 ounce in the middle. And then the big mamma jamma there at the end. Alrighty. So there you have it, folks. Today we have a total of a lot of silver. I'm not going to do the math right now. There you have it. The my babies right here in the flesh. They're here, and now we're going to bury you in the ground, so no one but me can find you. Just giving you guys a little bit of silver porn. I mean, that's what this is, right? It's just basic smut. Smut. Very, very shiny smut. All right, everybody. So there you have it. There is my update of my 2018 Kookaburra collection. We are up to date for the year. Yeah, that's all we really got for this video today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, telling all your friends, and leaving us a comment below, letting us know what you think about maybe this coin or maybe what your particular favorite coin is. And also, I'm still running my $100 Bitcoin giveaway to my new subscribers and my current subscribers. It's the 30-day 1,000 subscriber challenge, where we got 30 days to get a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to this channel, and I'm going to pick one lucky subscriber to win $100 worth of my Bitcoin. So thanks, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Keep growing your prosperity, wealth, and freedom, and we'll see you next time.